Phoebe's English Corner.
Sample conversation.
Hi, John. I'm trying to get to the museum. Can you help me with the directions?
Of course, Sarah. Start by walking straight down the street for 2 blocks.
Got it. Straight down the street, 2 blocks.
When you reach the corner, turn left.
Okay. Left at the corner.
Yes, you will see a big sign for the park. The museum is next to the park.
Next to the park. Got it. Is it near a supermarket?
No, it isn't, and there's a traffic light at the intersection. Turn right there.
I got it. Turn right at the traffic light.
Keep going until you see a large square. The museum is just past the square.
Past the square. Got it.
If you see the post office, you've gone too far. The post office is behind the park, so make sure not to go that way.
The post office is right next to the hill, right?
Yes, but don't worry about that. It's easy to get confused.
Understood. So straight, left at the corner, right at the traffic light, and past the square.
Exactly. The museum is between the park and the library.
Perfect. Thanks, John. I think I know the way now.
Just be careful. The road can be busy. Use the crosswalks, and if you get lost, just ask someone. People around here are usually helpful.
I will. What's the best landmark to look for if I get turned around?
Look for the large fountain in the square. If you see that, you're close. The museum is just past it.
Thanks, John. I will keep an eye out for all these landmarks. So, let's see if I got this right. Straight down the street, left at the corner, right at the traffic light, and past the square. The museum is next to the park.
You got it. It sounds more complicated than it is. Just take your time and enjoy the walk. It's a beautiful day out.
Thanks, John. I'm excited to see the museum. I have heard great things about the new exhibit.
It's fantastic. You will love it. And don't forget to check out the little cafe across the street. They have the best pastries in town.
That sounds perfect. I will definitely do that. Thanks again, John.
No problem. Have a great time.
Let's see. I'm at the corner, turning left. There's the sign for the park, now right at the traffic light. There's the square. The museum should be right in front of me. Found it. Thanks to John, I didn't get lost. Now, time to enjoy the exhibit and maybe grab a pastry afterward. What a great day.
Vocabulary. Left. Please repeat after me. Left. Left. Direction opposite to the right. Example, turn left at the next corner. Right. Please repeat after me. Right. Right. Direction opposite to the left. Example, go right at the traffic light. Straight. Please repeat after me. Straight. Straight. Not turning, continuing in one direction. Example, walk straight down this road. Corner. Please repeat after me. Corner. Corner. The place where 2 streets meet. Example, the bank is on the corner. Next to. Please repeat after me. Next to. Next to. Beside or close to. Example, the pharmacy is next to the supermarket. Behind. Please repeat after me. Behind. Behind. At the back of. Example, the park is behind the library. In front of. Please repeat after me. In front of. In front of. before or ahead of. Example, the bus stop is in front of the school. Between. Please repeat after me. Between. Between. In the space separating 2 points. Example, the post office is between the bank and the calf. Across. Please repeat after me. Across. Across. On the opposite side of. Example, the theater is across from the mall. Near. Please repeat after me. Near. Near. Close to, not far away in distance. Example, the bakery is near the park. Far. Please repeat after me. Far. Far. At a great distance. Example, the zoo is far from here. Traffic light. Please repeat after me. Traffic light. Traffic light. One of a set of red, yellow, and green lights that control the movement of vehicles, usually at a point where 2 or more roads join. Example, turn right at the traffic light. Sign. Please repeat after me. Sign. Sign. A board displaying information. Example, look for the sign that says City Center. Block. Please repeat after me. Block. Block. The area between 2 streets. Example, walk 3 blocks down this street. Way. Please repeat after me. Way. Way. A route, direction, or path. Example, do you know the way to the restaurant? Street. Please repeat after me. Street. Street. A public road in a city or town. Example, this street is very busy. Road. Please repeat after me. Road. Road. An open way for vehicles and people. Example, follow this road for 2 miles. Past. Please repeat after me. Past. Past. In or to a position that is further than a particular point. Example, I live on Station Road just past the post office. Square. Please repeat after me. Square. Square. An open area where streets meet. Example, the market is in the main square. Hill. Please repeat after me. Hill. Hill. An area of land that is higher than the surrounding land. Example, their house is on the top of a hill. Sample conversation.
Hi, Jenny. I need to get to the art gallery. Can you help me?
Sure, Alex. I would be happy to help. First, you should walk to the nearest intersection. When you get there, you need to turn right.
Right at the intersection. Okay, got it.
After you turn right, make sure to use the pedestrian crossing to get to the other side of the street. It's a busy area, so you want to be careful.
That makes sense. Thanks for reminding.
Yes, and remember to stick to the sidewalk. It's much safer than walking on the street, especially in that area.
Absolutely. I will make sure to stay on the sidewalk.
Good. Also, keep an eye out for any detour signs. There's some construction work going on around that area, and you might need to follow a detour.
Got it. If I see a detour, I will follow it. Is there anything else I should be aware of?
Yes, if you need to cross a busy road, use the overpass. It's safer than the underpass in that area, especially with all the construction work happening.
Should I use the overpass for every crossing?
Mainly for the busy roads. The overpass near the construction is particularly important. It will help you avoid any unnecessary delays or dangers.
Okay, I will use the overpass there. Do you think I should use a map or a GPS?
If you have a phone with a GPS, that would be ideal. It can provide real-time updates and help you navigate more easily.
I have my phone with me and the GPS is working fine.
Great. Even though the GPS will guide you, keep an eye on the lanes and the road signs. Sometimes, the GPS might not be aware of temporary changes due to construction.
That's a good point. I will stay alert for any signs or changes on the road.
One last tip, once you get past the main crosswalk, the art gallery is just to the right. It's easy to miss if you're not paying attention.
So, let's me recap. First, walk to the intersection and turn right. Use the pedestrian crossing, stick to the sidewalk. Then watch for detours and use the overpass for busy road. And then follow the GPS. After the main crosswalk, the gallery will be to the right.
Exactly. You've got it. It sounds like a lot, but once you start walking, it will all make sense.
Thanks, Jenny. This really helps. I feel much more confident about getting there now.
You're welcome, Alex. I'm sure you will find it without any trouble. Enjoy the art gallery.
Thanks, Jenny. I'm looking forward to it. See you later.
Have fun, Alex. See you soon. Bye!
Vocabulary. Intersection. Please repeat after me. Intersection. Intersection. Where two or more roads cross each other. Example: the big intersection can be confusing. Pedestrian crossing. Please repeat after me. Pedestrian crossing. Pedestrian crossing. A place where people can cross the road safely. Example: always use the pedestrian crossing. Lane. Please repeat after me. Lane. Lane. A narrow road in the countryside or in a town. Example: stay in your lane while driving. Detour. Please repeat after me. Detour. Detour. A different or less direct route to a place that is used to avoid a problem or to visit somewhere or do something on the way. Example: there is a detour due to roadworks. Sidewalk. Please repeat after me. Sidewalk. Sidewalk. A path with a hard surface on one or both sides of a road that people walk on. Example: walk on the sidewalk to stay safe. Overpass. Please repeat after me. Overpass. Overpass. A bridge that carries a road or railway over another road. Example: use the overpass to cross the highway. Underpass. Please repeat after me. Underpass. Underpass. A road or path that goes under something such as a busy road, allowing vehicles or people to go from one side to the other. Example: take the underpass to avoid the traffic. Crosswalk. Please repeat after me. Crosswalk. Crosswalk. A place on a road, especially one where there is a lot of traffic, at which vehicles must stop to allow people to walk across the road. Example: stop at the crosswalk for pedestrians. GPS. Please repeat after me. GPS. GPS. Global Positioning System. A system that can show the exact position of a person or thing by using signals from satellite. Example: use the GPS to find the quickest route. Map. Please repeat after me. Map. Map. A drawing of the Earth's surface showing the shape and position of countries, borders, natural features, like rivers and mountains, and artificial features like roads and buildings. Example, check the map to plan your journey.
Thank you for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Subscribe for more English lesson videos. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.